Hey guys, Melissa here. I'm super excited because I got my order from Maya Crystals today. This is my first time ordering from them, so I'm excited to see what my stones look like. Here's the card. Maya Crystals is a Facebook group run by Matthew. This is my first time ordering from them, and I heard about them through Oksana Crafts. She had done her own Maya Crystals unboxing not too long ago, and so I watched that video, and I was really interested in some stones that she was showing, especially Petersite, which I have a hard time finding. I haven't seen it around the gem shows. I haven't really come across it on Instagram or anything. But Oksana showed that she had gotten some Petersite from Maya Crystals. So right then and there, I immediately went to join the Facebook group, which is how they sell their stones. Maya Crystal Store on Facebook. It's a Facebook group. You go and join, and then you go and you check out all their albums of stones. And I went straight for the Petersite to check it out. So I bought a whole lot offered of Petersite along with other stones that I'm excited to look at. But it was really fun going through all the albums. Matthew is very easy to work with, answers all your questions. The ordering process is easy. The shipping is fast. So I was pleased with that. So I want to go ahead and look at my stones now. Can't wait. So here's a Labradorite right off the bat. Ooh, look at that. So I bought a lot of Labradorite as well because I just ran out. If you saw last week's video, that was my last one. The stones here are really nicely wrapped, really tight. Here's a malachite. That must be a free gift. It's really pretty. Let's take it out of the bag. Ooh. It's really cool. That's really pretty. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, there's some Petersite. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I love the way it looks. Alright, let's get to it. All the Petersite that he had has a lot of blue in it. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. There's another one. I just love that shimmer that it has. It's a really pretty one. I bought a Charolite. Charolite. Not sure how to pronounce that either. I bought a 5-piece lot. Because I like purple. So that's that. Charolite or Charolite. So pretty. Let's see. Turn another light on here. Ooh, I'm excited. Put you guys back. Russian Seraphinite. That one's really pretty too. I think I only got one of those. That one's really pretty. Now a lot of 3 Labradorite. With a nice blue flash. Really pretty. And another Petersite. This one has more brown in it. You can see all the shimmer. Really nice. More Labradorite. It's a 4-piece lot, a little bit bigger. Those are pretty. Really shiny. Couldn't help myself with the Labradorite. I went through and I bought stones that I usually can't find much at the gem shows. Labradorites at the gem shows, but I just can't help myself. This is Copperite. It's pretty cool. These have little bits of shimmer in them as well. I think it's my first time seeing this stone. It's really cool looking in person. I believe it said it was man-made. All right, let's move on. More Labradorite. Look at the size of this one. Ooh, that's gonna be awesome. And this one too, these have a nice blue shimmer to them. Awesome. Ooh, look at those. Boy, they shiny. All right, what else we got? Oh yeah, I've got a nice large lot of preonite here. $100 grams worth of preonite. Ooh, these are pretty. I really like preonite because it kind of glows. Kind of like a glow stick. In a previous video, I made a pendant for myself with faceted preonite. I think I have it right here. Yeah, see how that glows? So pretty. But these are cabochons. So these will be fun to work with. Ooh. Very mystical. There's those two. That one. I won't take the others out. And all these. So pretty. Alright, let's move you guys over to the side. And here's the rest of my preonite. Not preonite. The rest of my petersite. These are the main reason I bought from my crystals. Ooh, look at that guy. Oh, that's gorgeous. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Ooh, look at that one. Hopefully you can see it. Ooh, that one's pretty. That one, this one. I just want to keep them all, to be honest. Ooh, look at that one. Look at these itty bitties. I just love that shape. Ooh, the bronze one. Ooh. Ooh. That one's nice. This one's nice. I haven't seen so many blue ones. I'm so excited. Like, I just want to keep them all. These are cool. Blue with little specks of brown. So cool. Ooh, look at these. My goodness. Each one is so unique. That's why I love this stone. Ooh, look at this bunch. These kind of look similar. They look like little Dalmatians. Those are really cool. Oh, I'm excited. So excited to work with my stones here. All right, so there's my stone haul from Maya Crystals. I'm really excited to start working with this petersite here. It's gorgeous. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video from Maya Crystals. If you're interested in their products, just go check them out on Facebook. They're really nice people over there and a great place to order from. I had a great experience and I'm very pleased. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Have a great week and I'll see you next time.